This lesson is 6.6 in Go Math. The directions are to compare fractions using benchmarks. And we've learned that if we look at either of those numbers and compare it to 1/2, that will help us to know which number is greater, which fraction is greater as well. So we're going to go ahead and do numbers 9, 12, and 14. Okay, so 9, 12, and 14. All right, so first of all, we have 3/5 and 1/4. Now, we have to look. Are either of these fractions greater or less than to 1/2? Well, first of all, 3/5, what's half of 5? We have to look at the denominator. 2.5 is equal to 1/2. So is 3/5 greater or less than 1/2?
Greater.
Yeah, so if we had like a number line for 1/2, 3/5 would be over here, right? How about 1/4? It's where to 1/2?
It's on the very
Yes, it's less than. So 1/4 would be here on a number line. So 3/5 is what to 1/4?
greater.
It is greater. And remember, with this, the smaller number eats the bigger one. Okay, let's look at number 12. We have 2/3 and 5/12. First step is look at the denominator and see what half of that denominator is. So for number 12, for the denominator 12, what is half of 12? 6/12. So if we had a number line and we had 1/2, which would be 6/12, where does 5/12?
On the left.
Yeah, it's to the left. It's smaller than 1/2. So this would be 5/12 over here. Okay, how about 2/3? Let's look at our what?
Number line.
Denominator of 3. Good job. Okay, our denominator of 3. What's half of 3?
1/2.
1.5?
1.5.
Okay, so 2/3 is actually what to 1/2?
Bigger.
Yeah, so 2/3 would be over here on our number line. So 2/3 is what to 5/12? Greater. Okay? All right, and this is just a way to show your work. It's really easy, and you can write your number line down. Okay, number 14, let's read it together and do cube. Cube, remember, is circle the numbers, underline important information, box the question, and eliminate unnecessary information. So let's read this. Ready, go. Carlos finished 1/3 of his art project on Monday. Tyler finished 1/2 of his art project on Monday. Who finished more of his art project on Monday? Okay, so we're comparing what two numbers? 1/3 and 1/2. Cool thing about this is, what do you notice about these two fractions?
They're just one.
They both have numerators of 1. So therefore, if they both have numerators of 1, the denominator with the greater number is actually what? Smaller, yeah. So if we were to compare these with benchmarks, okay, notice they're the same, and I have 1/3, so I'm going to break this into 3, and I have 1/2, so I'll break it into 2. 1/3 is actually smaller than 1/2. Okay, so how you would write this is who finished more. So what's the bigger fraction? Tyler, because he did 1/2 of his art project. So Tyler finished more. Okay, good job. I'll just explain number 15. It says, explain a strategy you could use to compare 2/6 and 5/8. Okay, you could just think about what we did in these problems. We used a number line here, we used a benchmark here, and I want you to actually do it. Okay, you've got this. Go ahead.